I feel just excited about the possibilities for what we're going to do collectively for students.
Here to canvass the election was held on May 7, 2022.
We as a community, as humans, regardless of what our situation, we have to be there for family and children.
My contribution is going to be my experience as an alumni, as an employee, and just a concerned citizen wanting to see improvements in DeSoto.
We want to thank you for your many years of service.
37 years, people. 37 years. I'm sorry.
It is a pleasure to just be able to speak on her behalf.
I'm standing here today in person to double thank you for making this wise choice.
It has been moved and seconded to approve Dr. Usamah Rodgers as the superintendent of DeSoto ISD. That motion passes 7-0 unanimously.
I'm excited because she brings experience, she brings innovation, she knows where students are supposed to be, she knows where they're supposed to go.
My daughter, who is also an educator, to have her see this moment, to see that anything is possible.
She always amazes me and always pushes me, and just seeing how she thought about this and prayed about it and then went after it.
We have a lot that we have to heal from recovering from the pandemic, in which everyone has been impacted, to recovering and accelerating learning, just the hurts that people have expressed. So I'm excited that this is a new day for us to begin to heal, for us to move forward, and for us to restore hope for our community.